Oh, they're beautiful. Do you have a look, Pauline? Yeah, they're lovely.
Yeah, they look fantastic.
Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely beautiful.
Hello, welcome to this week's video. Marjorie owns the local haberdasher store in town, and she asked me if I could make her a new set of handles for a knife and fork set. They were given to Marjorie by her mother-in-law 60 years ago for her engagement, and at the time they cost about £60. In today's money, they'd be worth about $1,900, so they were a fairly expensive set of utensils, and unfortunately they've been sitting in her cupboard for the last 60 years. So when Marjorie got them out of the cupboard, she found that the mother of pearl handles had disintegrated, that cracked. Some of them had come off the knife and forks completely. So I think the mother of pearl needs to be moist, and of course being sitting in the cupboard for so long, they didn't last too long. So I used some stabilised she oak wood using cactus juice, and this was to ensure that the wood didn't move or crack due to the changes in the weather. I turned the handles down using a 14mm spanner as a jig or a guide to make sure that they're all the same diameter. And then when I'd finished them and sanded them, I covered them with tung oil because of its properties to repel the water and to harden the wood a little bit. I left them for a week just to settle, and then glued them together onto the knives and forks. The tools that I used was the old roughing gouge that I normally use, and also the German skew. Also used the cable wire just to burnish the two lines at the end of the handles, just to add a little bit of decoration. I dropped them back off to Marjorie today, and she seemed pleased with them. I just hope she doesn't put them back in the cupboard. I hope she uses them. I'm sure that she'll get probably another 60 years out of them. Anyway, that's about all I can report this week. I'll see you next time. Cheerio.
kids, it's all about science, engineering, technology, and math. And so every kid is sort of opted, well, you've got to become a software engineer or something. And it's there's so much emphasis on that that it's almost like, well, if you don't do well within school, you have to I think that the trade people are gonna have the last line.
She's way more like when people meet us, she's gold. Yeah, like they
Yeah.
because I put myself on it. I don't know what people think, but maybe they think I'm an extrovert or something. I don't know. No, Jess is an extrovert, and she is like a natural. She's probably cringe when I sit